Do you want to solve metadata provider error in Stremio? If yes, then watch this video till then because I am going to give you the best solution. In Stremio, metadata provide responsibility for fetching movie poster, description, cast information, rating and release. If these provider fail, your app may be slow. It may cause blank thumbnail, missing description, fail to load, metadata error. So this error usually occur because of internet connection issue, corrupted cache files, outdated Stremio version. So firewall settings may be blocking it. So first of all, you need to do one thing. You need to restart Stremio. So go to your Stremio and type in this Stremio and run at this Stremio as administrator. Right click here, select run as administrator. Make sure to check your internet connection as well. So here in Stremio is now open. If it is asking for a new version here, available upgrade, you just need to click on relaunch and you need to install the latest version. You can see it is downloading latest version for me. So make sure to install the latest version for your Stremio because old version may cause this error message. During the time it is updating for the latest version, I will check my internet connection as well. So you can do one thing, you can turn on Wi-Fi hotspot from your mobile phone and try to connect it. Maybe you can check this internet is causing this issue. So you do one thing, you need to add Stremio in firewall. So simply type allow here and go to this option, allow an app through Windows firewall. You can allow a Stremio app in Windows firewall as well. Herein you can click on this change setting option, look for Stremio app here. So you can see these are the two Stremio runtime and showing up for me. Just select both this private and public and click on this allow, go scroll down and click on OK. If you do not find it, you can go to a search bar. There's an allow another app option is showing if you do not find Stremio there. And one more thing, you can clear the cache. You can press Windows NR and type %, and click on OK. And herein you can find the Stremio folder. Just scroll down a bit, or you can type Stremio. You can open this Stremio folder here. Open this Stremio server folder, and here you have to delete this cache folder. Just right click here and click on this delete option. You can do one thing, you can uninstall or reinstall Stremio. If nothing works for you, can go to control panel and you can uninstall Stremio completely from your system and reinstall it once again. It is the last fix which you can do. You can do this, uninstall it completely from your system and reinstall it once again if nothing works for you. This is the last option. So you can remove all the data or backup data, and you can even remove this Stremio folder from the system. Again, go to Windows and press Windows and R and click on app data. If you find a Stremio folder here, you can just delete that folder. So it is already deleted. You need to then go to the official website of Stremio, stremio.com. Download and download it from here once again. You can download it as per your Windows, install it to your system. And after downloading it, make sure to check whether it is working for you or not. And in case you still face any problems, you can mention that problem in the comment section. I'll make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.